Hello, I'm going to introduce you now the satisfaction offering diagram, or shortly the offering diagram, which is one of the tools of the MSDS method. We will see aim and description, how to use the offering diagram, the integration within the method, and the availability and required resources. So the aim and the description in short. So actually the aim is to describe in one shot the satisfaction that is offered. So you have to think that it could be like a kind of an advertise in which we are able, using both images and short text, to describe what actually is offered. And this is quite important to be well made, because we know that when moving from traditional product offer to sustainable product service system, we have a paradigm shift in the way we are offering product and services. So it's key important to be able to very well define this. Actually, then it's a graphical representation that has a core satisfaction described there inside. Then we have a visualization of the suboffer through which the core satisfaction is offered, and how these suboffer are delivered. How to use it? Actually, it's quite easy. First of all, we define the core satisfaction that is delivered. So we have to find an image, a set of images that well represents and well emphasize what is the offer that we are delivering with our sustainable product service system, eventually applied to distributed economy. We may have images, we may have some short text, kind of a slogan. We may even have kind of a question marks, like to say, have you ever thought to have this without owning, but and just in a pay-per-use modality and so on. Okay, so when this is made, and this is the first thing that in a process is made, we can, or you can go on by even delivering, or sorry, by describing the suboffer with which the core offer is delivered. Again, we have images, representative images with some short text. Like here we see some ingredient selection, weekly, daily, pre-order, or food delivery. Then we may have a description of how, so we can add a description of how these subwoofer are delivered. Like for example, here we have for the weekly, daily pre-order, the online pre-order based on disponibility and so on. Okay, so and these may go on in further detail even during the course of the project. The integration in the MSDS method, actually we can even use this during the idea generation, when we have a set of ideas, when we have to maybe discuss and select the most interesting one, and so with the aim of presenting them for the discussion and for the further selection, it is good to have a good image that immediately let the discussant to understand what we are talking about. Then this could be definitely used during the system concept design phase, when we have to describe the concept that is delivered. But this could be used even when we are detailing the sustainable product service system. In this case, of course, we will have even the suboffer defined for within the offering diagram. So what we need a computer and nothing more than some graphic software. Here are a few examples, but it's up to you to use whatever you want, simply to compose images and text as it was shown before. And the time, well, it may change. It depends if we are drafting very fast for the idea generation at the beginning. It can take even less than an hour. It can take even a short time. If we are making a good offering a diagram to describe very well either a concept or a final sustainable product service system, it could take around 1 hour.